Hi everyone! Welcome back to Tech Library, your go-to spot for all things tech. Today, we're tackling a popular privacy concern. I have explained on how to block all your Facebook photos using the Only Me option, and should you wish to take your Facebook album private, then read on. We have got you covered. Okay, let it begins now. Here is how you can make your Facebook photo unseen by your friends. Follow these easy following steps. First, you want to open the main page of the Facebook, either on the computer or on the mobile device. And there you find 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the page. The next step, you need to scroll through the list and find Settings and Privacy, and click on it. Good! Do you have it? Great! Let's go to the next procedure. Now, we are in Your Audience and Visibility. Here, click Profile and Tagging, scroll down in the tagging section. Here it says, Who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile? Beside it, you will see Who can see your post means visibility. So, set it to Only Me. And, as they say, that's the gist of it. Your Facebook photos are now set to Only Me, so you can be rest assured that your privacy is well protected. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. And do not forget to subscribe to Tech Library to get more tech hints and tips. If you have any questions or require any more help, do leave your comments below. That is all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.